Now I'm going to take you a little around in the Cenacolo community. Just the entrance, you know, how it looks inside. When you come to visit the Cenacolo community, you can leave here prayer intentions, and they will be brought to Our Lady. You can write them here, put them in there. You can see, so if you're in a group, there are a lot of tables where you can write this. Hi, nice to meet you. Where you can write these prayer intentions. And you can also book, like, the people from the Cenacolo community will talk about their experience in the community. Just call them up and they're happy to arrange these talks for you. Mother Elvira, the foundress of the Cenacolo community. You can also give donations. They live by divine providence. And here you have a little gift shop. So again, no, only outside. Okay, sorry. Sure. It's very beautiful, you know.